Hey Tube, how you doing? Bubba here. Wishing everyone a really good 2025 coming. Best in another year. Another lap for us all. I'm going to start putting some work on the truck again. So now I'm coming out for a cold start. Why not? It's been like 3 weeks at least since I ran it. So I'm going to come out here and we'll see if she's going to fire right up for us or it's going to be problematic. Battery's still in it, so that's a good sign. That wouldn't have been a very good way to start off New Year. A little water there. I don't know if I like the look of that too much. Some around the bottom of the neck there too. Well, anyway, we'll see. This is just a run to see if it will and all that. Get it done. After I get the shop cleaned up, I'll start in doing some body work and stuff out back first. And yeah. So once again, Happy New Year, best of 2025 to y'all. We'll see you out there. Thanks for watching.